You like your car? I think Daddy maybe turned it off. We'll turn it back on, have it make noises. Like he's got somewhere to go, Diogi. Hi! Were you posing for a still shot? Were you? Were you posing for a still shot? Ah! I can follow you everywhere! Nice to Diogi.